Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this is my point of view on the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder on the shade number 35, which is the shade called Deep Foncé. Now, there are so many great things about this loose powder. So one thing about me personally, when I do my makeup, what I will usually do is just apply some concealer, and I do not apply any foundation on my face most of the times. So what I'll do is I'll apply a finishing powder, and I can tell you that this loose finishing powder by Maybelline Fit Me has not disappointed me. I have even used it on weddings, and my makeup has looked amazing using this powder. And it is really interesting because this powder, I feel like, is such high quality, but at the same time, it is really affordable. And I feel like this shade matches my skin tone perfectly. As you can see on the label, there are several characteristics that contribute to a great quality looking makeup, such as the fact that it has lightweight and translucent coverage. It can be used alone or over foundation, which is the main characteristic that I love about this powder. And that is my point of view.